Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back. I'm absolutely thrilled to share with you my latest project that will add a touch of coastal charm to your space. This masterpiece is a testament to the beauty of nature. It is a perfect decoration for your home. It can be a nice gift for someone. So stay with me and let's get started. Let me give you a little peek behind the scenes of how this gorgeous centerpiece came to life. First, you'll need to gather some driftwood, and the key here is to look for the pieces that have their own unique shape and character. I found these amazing ones at the beach and decided to use them as the base of our arrangement. If you don't have access to the beach, don't worry, you can still find in any craft shop or online. Start by arranging the driftwood into a shape that suits your preference. I'm using a hot glue to glue them together. There is always an option. You can use a wood glue or Gorilla Glue. To elevate my arrangement, I'm using styrofoam and wrapping it in fabric just to stick all of my materials better. As you know, the hot glue can melt styrofoam. Finally, let's add some colors with flowers or other floral arrangements. I chose white flowers, which I made from pistachio shells and spray painted to complement the overall design. You can mix and match different colors and type of flowers until you find the perfect combination for your arrangement. Now it's time to arrange our potpourri. You can either make your own or buy one like mine from Range if you are from UK. That will add a pop of color and scent to our arrangement. To enhance the coastal vibe, I'm adding some seashells. Mix up the size and color for a visually appealing look. Now it's time to add some greenery. I use some fern juniper because it's perfect for creating that lush look we want. Feel free to experiment with other type of greenery as well. If you're going for an extra coastal touch, sprinkle some sand on top of your arrangement, add a few rock accents, some rope detail. The beauty of this project is that there are no rules. Feel free to experiment with different designs and layouts until you find one that speaks to you. And voila, you have a stunning table arrangement, perfect for your home decor or a thoughtful gift for someone special. And let me tell you, this arrangement not even look beautiful, but it smells divine. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want to see more DIY projects, don't forget to like, follow and subscribe. Happy crafting, everyone!